Good day, Teacher Apache. I am Mary Margaux del Rosario of Macapagal, and today I'm going to be folding these clothes the Marie Kondo style. So let's get into it. So we start with a t-shirt, and we have to imagine that there's an imaginary rectangle in the middle. So first we fold this part of the t-shirt towards the center. Tug it a bit and flatten it. The same with the sleeves. And here we do the exact same thing, just repeated. Here, tug it a bit, flatten it out, and then put the sleeves over there. Then these two, we hold it and we flip it. Make sure to leave a gap. And here, we do it into thirds. So just fold it once and fold it another time. Good! So now we're going to do the long sleeve. It's just like the t-shirt but with extra sleeves. So, or this is also called a sweater. So let's fold it towards the center again. Tuck it a bit, straighten. Then this one, we'll just flatten this out and put it here. And fold it to the side. Now we're going to do the other side, just the same. And now we take it by the top, fold it, leave a gap, but we're not going to put it into thirds. We'll just straight up fold it in half. Oh, there we go. Good. Now we'll do the pants, and all my garments are right behind me. So let's start with the pants. So for the pants, we fold it in half, and these are jeans, by the way. We fold it in half and then we straighten. So get these and put them up to the belt. Then put them in thirds. Good. So we have plus one garment beside us. So this is a bit tricky, but it's going to be satisfying at the end. This is a dress. So what we do is lay it out flat, and wherever the skirt goes, that also does wherever the top goes. So let's go. This one, we kind of have to pull it so that it's straight, but we pull this at the end and tug this a bit, straighten. The same with the other side. It's just like that. Now we hold this and we pull it. Now we just roll it all up. Roll it all up, and we have the dress. And look at it, it's so pretty. It has a rose on the other side. Wow! And second camera, look at it too. Yeah! Okay, so we are down to our last garment, which are socks. Now what we do is straighten them out, but don't straighten them out and pull on them too hard because we don't want them to get deformed. And we place them on top of each other. We take these two and we fold them until the hem or the line. Then we just simply fold it in half. Very minute, very small, you know? And let's just put it in our collection. Completed collection, yay! Okay, so this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed, and goodbye, amazing people.